You waste about 3 hours every single day doing nothing productive, scrolling, watching, waiting. Now imagine if you used just one of those hours to make money instead. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy ways to turn your free time into cash. No experience, no skills, no fake guru nonsense. And trust me, if you do even one of these consistently, you'll never say, "I don't have time to make money" again. Way number 5. Use paid AI tools. Let's start with something that literally anyone can do, using AI tools. If you have 30 free minutes a day, you can start selling mini services using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or 11 Labs. For example, students are charging €10 to write product descriptions, short blog posts, or even simple logo ideas, all made with AI in minutes. You can start on platforms like Fiverr, or just ask small local businesses on Instagram if they want help creating posts or texts. The trick? Offer fast delivery and AI-backed ideas. You're not selling your time, you're selling the output of smart tools. Way number 4. Micro-freelancing. If you're on your phone all day anyway, you can turn that into cash too. Sites like Respondent, User Testing, and Remo Tasks pay people for short tasks, from testing apps to answering questions. It's not crazy money, but 5 to 20 euros an hour for just giving feedback is still way better than scrolling TikTok for free. And over time, you build reviews that help you get invited to better paying projects. Way number 3, resell unused stuff. This one sounds basic, but it's one of the fastest ways to make 100 euros fast. Go through your closet, desk, or tech drawer. You probably have 200 euros lying there in stuff you don't even use. Use Vinted, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. And here's the bonus. Once you sell something, take half of that money and reinvest it, either buying more stuff to flip or putting it into your savings. It's simple, but it builds the money mindset you need. Way number 2, learn and monetize one skill. If you spend an hour a day learning a single digital skill, you'll be ahead of 99% of people in a month. You don't need to become an expert, just be good enough to help others. For example, learn Canva, offer design help to local cafes. Learn CapCut, edit short videos for creators. Learn Notion, build templates and sell them on Etsy. The key is learn, test, sell. One skill, 1 month, 1 new income stream. Way number 1, build a mini content system. This one takes more patience, but it's powerful. You don't need to become a full-time YouTuber, but start sharing one tip or tool online every week. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even Instagram Reels. Doesn't matter. The secret is consistency. When one post blows up, all the old ones start earning too, whether that's affiliate links, followers, or brand deals. It's a slow build, but it's how small creators start making 100 to 500 euros a month in pure passive income. Bonus: turn time into passive cash. Here's the bonus method most people skip. Every time you earn money, reinvest 10 to 20% of it into something that keeps earning while you don't. That can be an index fund, a side business, or even AI-generated digital products. The point isn't how much you make. It's that you build the habit of using your time to create value, not just spend it. If you found even one idea you'll try, you're already ahead of most people. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.